Happy Friday, teachers, and here's your 5-minute tech tip for Friday, November 6th. And here's a website that I like, commoncoresheets.com. I use this a lot as a fourth grade teacher, especially in math, because you have a lot of topics that you can print out PDF files for. But the thing that I like about this right now is this distance learning option that they have. So as a fourth grade teacher, if I was teaching fourth grade this year, and I know we work on area and perimeter in fourth grade, I would select area and perimeter, click on fourth grade, okay, quadrilaterals, area and perimeter, and instead of selecting just a worksheet number right here that would be a PDF, okay, what I can do is select this distance learning option. And so I'm going to click distance learning. I'm going to create an assignment that I can use with Google Classroom or a Seesaw class. So created by myself, finding area and perimeter, number of problems. We can go from 1 to 15. So we're just going to do 2. Okay, and then check answer blank times. We're going to choose 1, but we could go up to 10 times if we want to give them 10 chances to get the correct answer, but we're only going to give them 1 extra chance if they miss it the first time. And then I'm going to click create the distance learning assignment. This link's going to come up, and you're simply going to click the link, or you're going to copy and paste it to your Google Classroom or Seesaw. So we'll click the link and we'll see the assignment. So here it goes. We have 2 problems, and we have to find the area and perimeter. So after you've taught this skill to students, this will be a great way to check their understanding. So perimeter, we're going to say that it is 22. And then area, we're going to say that it is 28. Once they've done that, they can click the next button and then go on to the next problem. Okay, locks in their answers. Boom, they got them both right because it turns green. Click on next problem. So here we go. Find the perimeter and area of the figure. Perimeter, we're going to say is 29. And the area, we're going to say is 49. Okay. Oh, I got it wrong. I get one more shot at it. So perimeter, we're going to fix it. Say 28. And then the perimeter, we're going to go 44. Check it one more time. Locks in the answer. And notice I have a red bar there. So as a teacher, you can simply go back to Common Core Sheets in the teacher panel. I'm already logged into my account because you can see it right here. But you go to your distant learning assignments, okay? And this is all cookies based, so it will remember what you have done. But I've logged into my account, and I recommend that you get an account so you keep everything right there. So I can simply open my assignment right here, and you can see that I took it, and I got 50%, 1 out of 2 correct. It shows me a breakdown and the time that was spent. Okay, so I can click on my name, and I can see that I can look at problem number 1 was 4 by 7. Okay, no incorrect guesses. Boom. Number 2, 8 by 6, perimeter 29. Okay, area 49, and it took me 29 seconds right there. So you can have it broken down, by student. And then you can record the grades. One thing that I like about this is that in the edit, okay, you can change the assignment name, and you can put a date and time that this assignment is available to. So you can go to next Friday, Friday the 13th, and I can select a time where I could say I want it to be 2:45 p.m. because that's when our school gets out. Okay, and then that assignment will be locked and not be able to be completed after that time and date. All right, so commoncoresheets.com, a great site to get some PDFs to practice math skills and other skills. But like I said, the thing that I like about it right now is this distance learning option right here. easy way to teach a concept online and have some type of work for your students to work on to check for their understanding and not have it be a PDF. Well, hopefully you found this useful, and have a great Friday.